Parth, Parth, now you already we have discussed that the
No,
first
sir.
we are collecting a requirement analysis, then we will go for quick design. So we are not accommodating all the requirements because the first step is what we have not understood all the requirements, or from the customer side all the requirements are not to be clear. So whatever the requirement, those are to be given by customer, and what we have understood, based on that we are designing, and that design is nothing but it is a quick design. So from that design we are implementing a prototype, and that prototype we will test it, and then we will deliver that prototype to the customer. Again the customer will see that prototype, see the working version of the software, see the visible element of the software, and based on that again the feedback, suggestion, or whatever the queries are to be there, based on that again the same process will be repeated. So it is nothing but it is a one type of iterative kind of things are to be there, in which we are developing a prototype model again and again, unless and until all the requirements are to be met. So this is all about the evolutionary process model. Is there any question from your side? Because next process model, that is a spiral model, that we are going to discuss tomorrow, because we have very less time is left. Is there any question from your side? So I downloaded the attendance for this lecture. One thing is, remember that your one thing you just remember that every course material regarding to the software engineering are to be uploaded only in MS Teams. So MCQ type of questions or short-term exams are to be conducted in a MS Team also. So tomorrow we are going to take about one lecture on a spiral model. So once that lecture is to be done, I will upload one MCQ test question paper on MS Team. I will give you some time. Within that time, you have to submit that answer. For that, you have to log in into the MS Team, and you have to submit the answer. So, and also you can found practical list in a MS Team also. So you, for that you have to go into the material section, in which you are able to find the material for that also. And one thing you just remember that your complete class will be divided into the number of batches: A1 batch, A2 batch, and A3 batch. So you just decide your partner, because within a 1 or 2 days I will share one Google Sheet with you, in which you have to create a group for your practical purpose. So based on that again you have to work. And already I have given a demo session about a virtual lab. So that virtual lab you have to perform, each and every student compulsory, whatever the practicals are to be given in a virtual lab, you have to perform whatever the group you have created. Okay, so two practicals you have to follow, one from virtual lab and one I will give you in a MS Team. So these two tasks you have to complete as a part of your practical. So if you have any question, query, then you can raise any time. Is there any question? Okay, if no question, then we will end up a meeting here. Thank you very much. Tomorrow we will meet at 12:15. Thank you.